Okay.
Yeah, the draws, like you've seen the draws, first and foremost, they've been free and fair. We do it publicly in the press, in the presence of the press and everyone, the pool fraternity. So the expectations from the draws from our side as organizers, we expect a lot of competition, because I want to assure the viewers that 128 in the men's category, especially in the men's category, all of them were good. They qualified from all across the country. So from the draws, we expect some few tight fixtures in round one. Just one, to mention just one. This is Kasozi Ibrahim will be playing ez'omwaka Fahad. ez'omwaka Fahad was once a former champion, two-time champion. Kasozi has never won this, but he's one of the most on-form players. The number.
Empaka zino zikomyewo kubanga amaanyi go gaali ganzigwamu nga neebuuza ngenda ku defendinga ddi emmotoka eno, naye nasanyuka nnyo nga mpuliddeko omwaka guno wagenda beerayo Empaka nayo special, era nasobola okukola training, era mbadde nga siva ku meeza, era nsuubira nti ngenda kukola ekisinga ne ku kye nakola mu 2018.